I'd like to talk to you about controlling costs by comparing purchases. And here is an example of a student that laid out their work very well in terms of calculating food cost percentages for various products. One of the things I would encourage you to do, if you're not very comfortable with these numbers, is to write out your work. So, for example, the correct answer here for number 332 is 16.06%. But if you're unsure of how that calculation came about, you might want to write out 52,725.38 divided by your total sales, and then using your calculator, you would come up with a number close to this, and if you multiply it by 100, that gives you 16.06%. In order to calculate your variance, as you see here, you would want to subtract your goal, and the variance is the difference from your goal versus the actual. So obviously you want to be within a close range here. As you notice with the fish calculation, it equals a variance of 0. And with produce, you got a high variance there. You're actually a little bit below on groceries because they're maybe not as perishable. And with dairy, you're pretty close. Another calculation you can come up with on this assignment is your total purchases for the month. And that's calculated by adding up all your categories here and writing in a number below. To come up with the total food cost percentage for the month, you would take your total purchases for the month here, divide it by your total sales, and that again coming up with a decimal and multiplying it by 100 and rounding to get an answer of 43.55. Your variance for the month should be 8.55% overall.